Just solve the equation root 3 plus root 2 to the power x square minus 4 plus root 3 minus root 2 to the power x square minus 4 equal to 10. So we are given this kind of equation. We want to solve it. It's a bit complicated. However, you observe that root 3 plus root 2 whole thing into root 3 minus root 2 equal to 3 minus 2, because a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So root 3 square minus root 2 square, that's 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. Therefore, root 3 minus root 2 equal to 1 by root 3 plus root 2. So you see that if I write root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus root 2 instead of root 3 minus root 2, then this equation will have a same base, root 3 plus root 2. So if we replace root 3 minus root 2 by 1 by root 3 plus root 2, then equation 1 can be written as root 3 plus root 2 to whole thing to the power x square minus 4 plus 1 by root 3 plus root 2 to the power x square minus 4 equal to 10. Now you see that you have same base, root 3 plus root 2. So let root 3 plus root 2 to the power x square minus 4 equal to y. Then this equation can be written as y plus 1 by y equal to 10. Let's multiply throughout by y. So we multiply equation 2 by y into y into y into y. You see, y gets cancelled. Of course, y cannot be 0 here. So we obtain a quadratic equation. Y square minus 10y plus 1 equal to 0. We take 10y to the left hand side. So we get y square minus 10y plus 1 equal to 0. That's a quadratic equation of the type ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. Roots are given by y equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. You see here b equal to minus 10, so minus of minus 10 plus minus root over b square, so minus 10 whole square minus 4 into a equal to 1, c equal to 1 divided by 2 into 1. That's equal to 10 plus minus root over 100 minus 4 is 96. 96 by 2. 96 is 16 into 6, and 16 is root 16 is 4. So 10 plus minus 4 into root 6 by 2. That's equal to 10 plus minus 2 root 6. But we have assumed y equal to root 3 plus root 2 to the power x square minus 4. Therefore, root 3 plus root 2 to the power x square minus 4 equal to 10 plus minus 2 into root 6. You see that we have two different choices. Root 3 plus root 2 to the power x square minus 4 equal to 10 plus 2 root 6, and root 3 plus root 2 to the power x square minus 4 equal to 10 minus 2 root 6. Let's do those two choices case by case. Case 1. So case 1, we take root 3 plus root 2 to the power x square minus 4 equal to 10 plus 2 root 6. You see that if we square root 3 plus root 2, if we square root 3 plus root 2, let's find it out. Root 3 plus root 2 whole thing square equal to root 3 square plus root 2 square plus 2 into root 3 into root 2. You see that we are getting exact expression. Root 3 square is 3. Oh, I made mistake earlier. We are cancelling 2 out. So 2 into 5. So this is 5. And this is also 5. So this is 5 plus minus 2 into root 6. This is also 5 plus 2 root 6. So root 3 square is 3, root 2 square is 2, and root 3 into root 2 is root 6, so 2 root 6. So that's exactly equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. Therefore, we can write this case as root 3 plus root 2 to the power x square minus 4 equal to root 3 plus root 2 to the power 2. We compare the power to obtain x square minus 4 equal to 2. Of course, we can solve for x. So x square equal to 6. If we take 4 to the right hand side, 4 plus 2 is 6. So x equal to plus minus root 6. Let's take the other case. Earlier we have observed that root 3 plus root 2 whole thing square is 5 plus 2 root 6. But in this case we don't have, so root 3 plus root 2 whole thing square is 5 plus 2 root 6, but we have minus sign here. But as we have observed initially that root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2 equal to 1. So root 3 plus root 2 equal to 1 by root 3 minus root 2. Yes. So we can replace this value here and we get 1 by root 3 minus root 2 to the power x square minus 4 equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. That gives us root 3 minus root 2 to the power minus x square plus 4 equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. Now we see that if we find root 3, once again as we have done earlier, but root 3 minus root 2 whole thing square equal to root 3 square is 3, root 2 square is 2, minus 2 into root 3 into root 2. That's equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. Therefore, we can write this equation as root 3 minus root 2 to the power minus x square plus 4 equal to root 3 minus root 2 whole thing square. Now once again we compare the power to obtain minus x square plus 4 equal to 2. So that gives us 4 minus 2 equal to x square. So x equal to plus minus root 2. So finally we can say that in case 1 we have obtained x equal to plus minus root 6. In case 2 we have obtained x equal to plus minus root 2. Therefore final answer is x equal to root 2 comma minus root 2 comma root 6 comma minus root 6. So we have obtained 4 number of solutions and we are done.